boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know? Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lara. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make curly hair without any heat. And so I just washed my hair and it's really wet right now. So the first step is to make sure your hair is wet. If you don't want to wash your hair for this because it's already like washed like yesterday or something, you can also just use this and then just pour some water in it and then use that. That also works really good, but I just washed my hair. So basically you don't really have to have really wet hair. So it has to be like in the middle of wet and kind of dry. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair right now and I'll see you guys if I'm done. Okay guys, I'm done with blow drying my hair. Right now I'm going to brush my hair. So make sure you don't have any tangles because we're just gonna braid our hair. In this way is really good. I did this the day before yesterday, and I did it just with this just water. I didn't wash my hair and it really worked. I still have a little bit curls, like as you guys maybe can see, I still have some curls and it really works. So yeah,
I'm just gonna brush it.
So you're gonna braid your hair right now. So make sure you have even sections. Okay. And basically, it's really easy. You just have to braid your hair just how you would do normal. And we're going to sleep with it. It's right now 5 o'clock in the evening. But it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna sleep with this and I'm gonna be with this hairstyle all the time. And also make sure you do it tight. So if you want tight curls, then make sure to braid really tight, and if you just want loose curls, then just braid it normal or just a little bit loose. I'm going to use 2 elastics, because we're going to sleep with it, and if one elastic breaks right now, you have another one. Okay guys, I'm done with this side, and I have little like pieces of hair, but that really doesn't matter. So yeah, now I'm gonna do the other side in speed motion. Okay guys, so I'm done with braiding and you're just gonna sleep with this right now. As I said before, it's afternoon, but it really doesn't matter. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So yeah, and it doesn't really look beautiful or something, but it doesn't matter because you have curls tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, bye. Okay, it's morning, time to take them off. Also, ignore my face. It was morning, you know. Now I'm shaking them a little bit and to see what I like. I also did a hairstyle, just braiding my little pieces. Like I have little pieces of hair and that I don't really like, so I just braid them, and yeah. This is the final result and I really like it. This is what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you tried this out, make sure to tag me on Instagram if you do have Instagram. My Instagram name is here and in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!